I'm really pleased to announce that Fusion is now offering US tax return preparation as well as advisory services to all of our clients. Whether or not you're in the US or the UK, wherever, we can now offer you bespoke US tax services. Hello, my name is Henry. I am a senior tax advisor here at Fusion, also a dual qualified US and UK tax advisor. Now we're going to look at a few reasons why you might need to file the US tax return, even if you don't live in the US or have any US income whatsoever. The main reason why you might need to file a US tax return is because the US has something called a citizenship basis of taxation. So unlike here in the UK where it's based on residency, therefore you might be born in the US, have a US passport as well as a British passport, thereby you are still subject to US taxation even though you live in the UK. There have been a lot of high-profile cases in the news in recent years about people who are subject to US tax even though we ordinarily define them as non-American. Rishi Sunak had a green card to the US, which meant he's still subject to the same rules that citizens are of the US, and he had to give up that green card. Until that point, he was subject to US tax as well. Now, it's not all bad news, because you'll never be taxed twice on the same income. So the UK is quite a high tax country, so you'll probably find that you don't owe any US tax when you file your return. However, it is still a legal requirement for all citizens and green card holders to file a US tax return to say what they do or don't owe. So what are the next steps? Well, if you know that you're a US citizen or green card holder, then do contact us because we will be able to help you with your US tax filings. If you're not sure, or maybe you don't know, feel free to contact us. We might be able to give you a good steer as to whether or not you are subject to US tax or not. Regardless of what your situation is, we are here to ensure that you remain compliant with regards to all of your US taxation affairs. Please feel free to drop us an email on the email address below or give us a call to discuss this further.